Linking your bank to Skynet 2026 can streamline your financial management and enhance your experience with the platform. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank accounts. Step 1. Create a Skynet account. Visit the Skynet 2026 website or app and sign up for an account. Provide the necessary personal information and verify your email address to complete the registration process. Step 2. Navigate to bank linking section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your bank. In the bank linking section, you will see a list of supported banks. Choose your bank from the list. If your bank is not listed, you may need to use an alternative method or contact customer support for assistance. Step 4. Enter your banking credentials. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials, such as your username and password. Ensure that you are using a secure connection and that the website is legitimate to protect your information. Step 5. Confirm and authorize the link. After entering your credentials, follow the prompts to confirm and authorize the link between your bank account and Skynet 2026. You may receive a verification code via email or text message to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Skynet 2026. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced financial management and features available on the platform.